Come on, big guy. You can do it. Pull. Oh, I'll be here till June. Get the box.
You almost got it, buddy.
Here. Oh!
More clothes.
Another shirt?
Who gave you those, Aunt Pam?
I think so.
You got socks?
T-shirt?
Look how handsome. Say thank you.
You say thank you?
Hunter, say thank you.
Can you say thank you? Another shirt?
Thank you. You got a whole new wardrobe here.
And another shirt? Say, Dad, quit putting shirts on me. And another shirt? And another shirt?
All right. Say thank you. Thank you, Aunt Pam.
Can you say thank you?